What if I told you that the difference between a forgettable poster and a professional one is not about your software skills? It is the idea behind it. Let me show you how I transformed this ordinary poster into something much more powerful. Now before we proceed, just a few seconds to say thank you for all who still supporting my channel in any way. Liking, subscribing, and your comments is more powerful to my channel. Please keep doing that and I'll be grateful. Now let us get started. Create a new file with these dimensions. Fill a solid color using this color code. Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Then convert to smart object and apply film grains with the 76 opacity to add texture instead of leaving the background plain. Now let us create a custom shape using letter T. This helps us to convey the abstract concept and add movements behind the flat layout. Next step here is to convert the shape to smart object and add soft shadow for depth. Notice how the shape immediately feels more polished. Maybe the shape looks simple right now, but in a few minutes, I promise you, it is going to become the most important part of the entire design. It is a small changes, but sometimes separates an amateur design from a professional one. After you finish, Ctrl+T to transform. Choose Warp and Custom. Choose Arc. This stimulates 3D surface and fit the flat element into a complex perspective. Create another shape on top of this to complete the entire design. Now go to File and press Embedded. It is this subject to create a specific emotion balance and controlling viewers' eyes. We are now finalizing with the text to convey the intended message to eliminate the guesswork. And make sure the text is organized in the visual order, that is hierarchy. Now compare the designs here and let me know what you'd fix differently in the comments. Like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next Fixing Bad Design episode.